Hello and welcome to the tutorial on Find the Missing Number. Now in this tutorial we're going to cover numbers up to 5 and we're going to do positive only, meaning we're going to do addition only. For subtraction there will be another tutorial. So let's have a look at the question which we're going to be working through. It's a nice easy one. 2 plus something equals 3. 2 plus something equals 3. Now there is more than one way to answer this question. In fact, we're going to use the 3 most common methods. So let's begin. The first one is the dot method. Now for the dot method, what we're going to do first is we're going to rewrite the question so we can do some workings on it. 2 plus something equals 3. 2 plus something equals 3. Now for the dot method, the first thing we look at is how many dots do we have to have in total. Here it is. It tells us we have to have 3 dots. We've got 1, 2, 3. That is the answer. We need to get to 3 dots. How many dots do we have in the question? We have 2. So we can put 1, 2. And the final piece in the jigsaw is how many dots do we need to make 3? So we've got 1, 2. And how many dots do we need to have here? We need to have 1 more. That is 3. So we've got 1, 2, and 3. So how many dots is this? Well, it's only 1. So let's put 1 in the box. So now the question reads, or the answer I should say reads, 2 plus 1 equals 3. The answer is 1. And it's as simple as that. All you do is add the dots to get to the final answer. Remember, we had to get to 3 dots in total. We had 2 to begin with, and we added 1 more. So that is the dot method. It's a nice, useful method to use. Now let's look at our second method. The second method is the number line. Now, do you remember what a number line is? Well, a number line is simply a line with numbers. It can start at any number and it can end at any number. So let's draw our number line over here. There it is. We try to make it as straight as possible. Our number line is going to start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is our number line. Now, for the question, let's look at the question again. 2 plus something equals 3. What comes after the equal sign? It is this one here. It is 3. So let's change colors and let's circle what we have to end at. And that is 3 over here. How many do we have in the question? Let's go back to the question. We have 2. So what we do is let's put a circle over here on top of 2. Now we have to get to 3. How many jumps is that? Well, let's do that. We're starting at 2. And we finish at 3. So how many jumps is that? Well, that's 1 jump. And notice how this 1 jump is the same as the answer over here. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. The answer is 1. So we can use the number line or the dot method to come to the same answer. It's nice and easy. Now let's have a look at our third method. Now the third method is simply using your fingers. We are going to do counting. The counting method. Now for this one, what we're going to do is let's rewrite the question again. So we can do a few workings. 2 plus something equals 3. 2 plus something equals 3. Now in the counting method, what we do is, we know what number we have to end at, because we've been looking at it all tutorial, that is 3. We have 2 to begin with, and what we do is, we're going to count forwards from 2, until we get to our answer, which is 3. So we're starting at 2, let's count forwards, 3. Well, we only have to count forward 1. Another way to do this is, start at 2, hold your hand out, but turn it into a fist. Don't hold any fingers out. Start at the number 2, and count forwards and open a finger each time you count forwards until we get to our answer of 3. So 2, count forwards 1, we get to 3. How many fingers are you holding out? Well, 1. And that is the answer. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So that is how we do find the missing number with numbers up to 5, positive, meaning addition, using the dot method, the number line, or the counting method. All come to the same answer.